high fashion. And giving face card si shining inheritance star Kailin Alcantara sa debut ng kanyang pagrampa sa New York Fashion Week. Stunning in black si Kailin na headliner ng Spring and Summer 2025 collection ng Pinoy designer na si Chris Nick. Rumapa din si Kobe Paras. Nakasama ni Kailin sa New York nang mag-celebrate siya ng 22nd birthday doon.
Happy birthday!
Pasabog din ang pinali ng show sa paglabas ni Miss Universe Philippines 2023, Michelle Marquez D. From New York to Manila, giving sexy vibes ang mga lumakad sa nude carpet ng 2024 Preview Ball. Gaya ni Bianca Umali na head-turner in her see-through laced outfit.
It's a simple and creative take on who I really am.
Lutang din ang pagiging sexy ni Sparkle Beauty Queen, Cassini Ganados, in her skin-tight metallic nude gown, matching her best accessory na may sentimental value.
This was given by my father. It was his gift for me the very first time I saw him when he came here to the Philippines.
Very demure, yet very sexy din si Rere Madrid.